Hi, my name is Pablo. I'd like to explain to you how you can earn from CashChat advertising. Now, CashChat gives you the privilege to earn through your memes, texts, chats. I'll tell you. And the more you post, the more advertising you attract and the more money you are likely to get. But how do you earn? One, you have to have an active Bolt Cash's wallet to be a CashChat agent. You will then receive an electronic contract which you will sign and submit. When it's approved, you'll then become a CashChat agent. You can sell advertising space on your status, which will attract a 20% commission from the advertisement payment. Now, once you get those who want to advertise on your status, you receive details of where they can make the payment, and you also get to know for how long the advert will be running. That's just so cool. Better still, you have a back office where you can upload your customers' content. Just to be clear, you have to use your laptop or desktop computer with internet to access your back office portal to upload your adverts. Once you've uploaded your adverts, they will be verified by the CashChat content management team. And for further information, you can send an email to adverts@boltcashers.com. With CashChat, you fly high.